Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World. And yes, people, we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. Now, yeah, I'm doing batch videos because Thursday and Friday, I am not going to be in the studio, so it's not guaranteed that I'll be able to come in and put out some videos, but we still got to get the videos out to you guys because I know you look for it every day. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and let's check out this watch face. Now, the name of this watch face is called Space Adventure. I love this look. It's an animated watch face that I thought was really nice. And it's free for the taking as of right now. Now, I filmed this on a Wednesday, right? So therefore, it may not be free and it may still be free. And if it is, could you hit me in the comment section down below? Let me know if it is or not so I can change the title to free. All right, with that being said, let's have a look at it. Now, you're gonna get a nice digital time in the AOD mode, and once the watch face is on, it's animated. I do like this look. You got my man sitting on the moon and it looks like he's super chilling. Now you got your month down at the bottom. You're going to get your digital time at the top with a PM stamp, and you're also going to get your date and the day of the week. Now you do have some animation going on, so far the stars in the background as well, and you got something that's floating in the background. It comes around every now and then, but this is not a bad watch face to be free, and it's not a bad watch face to have for casual wear. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.